Don't keep your savings in these 3 bank accounts, and here's why. Bank account 1, Scotia Savings. They only give you 0.001% interest. Instead, use their MomentumPLUS savings account for 4.85% interest. Otherwise, it means if you park $10,000 there for a whole year, you'd make just $1. Account number 2, RBC Same Deal, 001 interest. Look for their high interest e-savings account at 4.70% interest. Account number 3, TD. Not only do they also give you 0 on 0.01% interest, but some accounts hit you with monthly fees. So instead of growing your money, you're actually losing it. What are the top 3? There are 1, CIBC eAdvantage Savings, sitting at 4.9%. Account 2, Scotiabank MomentumPLUS Savings, sitting at 4.9%. Berth 3, BMO Savings Amplifier, sitting at 4.75%. Remember, join our Patreon on our website, www.pytown.ca, and remember to look around for mutual funds which may give you between 10 to 15% interest depending on the mutual fund type. See your rep for more details.